guys, good morning. It's a Friday today. It's currently 10:42 a.m. and I'm about to leave because me and JP are going to BGC for a date. I like my outfit, so let's do a quick fit check lang. Top, I bought this from an Instagram shop. It's called Gopi Clothing. And then my pants, I'm just wearing these, what do you call these type of pants? These flare jeans from Pull & Bear. My bag is from Charles & Keith. And then my shoes, I'm just wearing my Adidas Special, the pink one. But later on, I'm gonna change into a different shoe because I need to shoot something for a brand. So yeah, I'm just gonna bring the shoes because they're heels. So I'm not really comfy wearing them in BGC. Don't really know what we're gonna do there. Pero we're craving steak kasi, so we're gonna eat at Mamu. Pero the rest, I don't know what we're gonna do. But yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys along naman. So let's see.
Every night I try to love, but your heart is made of stone. All my tears, they fall like rain, yet you leave me here alone. I give you all I have inside. You pretend it's all but empty eyes, they break me down. All this torment never end, endless pain, it's all I know. Hurt me more, but let me go. In this game, my heart will lose. Change your ways.
So, hi guys, quick commercial break from the vlog. I just want to quickly share something with you guys. You can see, kakatapos ko lang maligo and I did an everything shower because nag-commute ako kanina going home to school and going to school. So, I feel like I'm so dirty, so I needed that everything shower really bad. I also washed my hair. As you can see, binasa ko na rin siya para mas ma-refresh and cleanse siya. To get into detail with my hair care routine, kapag feeling ko extra motivated ako to add extra steps to my routine. Pero guys, actually 3 steps lang siya, so let me share it with you guys. I feel like obvious na kung ano to, pero it's the Dove Ceramide Repair line. I have here the shampoo which I shared on my previous vlog. Now I'm also gonna share yung treatment mask and also yung 1-minute conditioner nila. First step is of course shampoo, so this is really obvious because this is to eliminate any dirt that is in our hair and also our scalp, so para mas ma-refresh siya, ganon. So second step is the conditioner. So this one is the 1-minute conditioner, so very quick lang siya. So I use this para mas maging soft and para matanggal yung mga buhol-buhol ng hair ko. And I just really like this kasi guys, super quick na lang. And pagkatapos kong banlawan yung hair ko, as in super smooth, tangled free, and so nice. Okay, last step guys, which is yung treatment mask. And for me, this one is my personal favorite out of this hair care line. This product deeply nourishes your hair and nare-rebuild niya rin yung outer layer ng hair natin. So, if you have damaged hair, this one is perfect for you kasi mas strengthen niya yung hair nyo and mawawala yung mga dryness, frizziness, or any hair concerns that you have. These products are like skincare pero for our hair. So, if you have hair concerns like ayun nga, dryness, frizziness, or damaged hair, guys, I swear this hair care line will help you. I swear. Papatuyin ko lang yung hair ko. And alam niyo ba guys, napansin ko sa sarili ko na mas hindi na ako takot gumamit kayo ng mga heat tools kasi alam ko na mas stronger na yung hair ko ngayon. So, I don't have a problem when using like a blower or like my straightener. Yun lang. So, magtutuyo na ako ng hair ngayon and I'll show you guys the after results. Rise and shine. I woke up really early because me and my boyfriend are going on a run again. Kasi na every Sunday mag-run kami para you know I can get some exercise na rin because hindi na ako nakapag-gym. So, sumasama na lang ako sa mga jogging niya.
Hi guys.
guys, I'm done cleaning na in my room. As in, nag-mop na ako and all. Nagpunas ako ng mga tables ko. And now, nandito ako sa walk-in ko. And I think di ko pa ito na-vlog. Pero recently, or not naman recently, actually got a pet hamster like a month and a half ago. And dito siya nakalagay sa walk-in ko since hindi ko siya malagay sa other parts ng house since may mga dogs kami and maingay. And nandito siya sa walk-in ko. And now, I'm gonna clean her cage. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys kung ano yung itsura ng cage niya. And also, yeah. This is my hamster's cage and her name is Cookie. Pero hindi nyo siya nakikita because she's probably sleeping because as you guys know, hamsters are nocturnal animals or basically, they are just awake at night. And usually sa mornings and afternoons, tulog sila. So, yeah, hindi nyo siya makikita ngayon. I'm really happy and proud kung ano yung kinalabasan ng setup na pinagagawa ko. Kasi all of these things, I bought them individually. So, ako lang nag-iisip kung paano ko siya isa-set up and all. And, yeah, I'm gonna clean it now. Pero di naman super deep clean and like, papalitan ko lahat and everything. Hamster bedding have to be at least 3 months bago nyo palitan. Kasi mas-stress sila if like palit kayo ng palit. I'll probably just clean yung mga poop niya. Kasi doon siya nagpo-poop sa may wheel niya. And then, yeah, basically yun lang naman. And ayusin ko lang ng ibang setup na nagulo-gulo niya. Kasi minsan, like sa gabi, like paikot-ikot talaga siya dyan. And nabubunggo niya yung mga setup. So, yeah, that's basically my plan. If you wanna see Cookie, I'll just insert some of her videos and photos here. Kasi talaga, sa gabi ko lang talaga siya nakaka-interact. Because from morning to afternoon, she's asleep. So, she's probably hiding sa ilalim. Nag-dig siya ng hole dyan. So, yeah. I just finished eating dinner and it's currently 7:04 p.m. and lately my nights just consist of watching Netflix and playing games on my iPad. Tonight I want to color with my coloring book and I think I unboxed this on one of my vlogs recently and a lot of you are asking kung saan ko siya nabili pero it's just from Shopee. I can put the link down below. Free time lang talaga ako nakapag-color here and this is one of my works. I'm really proud of this kasi I tried to like put a lot of details into each page. And this is another one that I did. So nice, right? This is one of my favorite pages. I'm currently working on this one. So ito yung tatapusin ko ngayon while I watch my Netflix show. So pretty. It's so pink. If you're also curious kung ano yung markers na ginagamit ko, I use Ohuhu? Yeah, Ohuhu markers. This I bought also on Shopee and these are the mid-tone color set. And then my other marker set is actually from JP. So hiniram ko lang siya since, if you don't know, JP is an architecture student. So marami siya mga alcohol markers. So hiniram ko yung isa niyang set kasi yung sa Ohuhu markers ko, kulang siya ng mga light colors. So borrow this one para marami akong choices. So yeah, I'm so excited! And I also ordered milk tea kasi I've been craving cocoa. And guys, cocoa is like my favorite boba shop or like boba store. So good. But yeah, I'm gonna finish this page now while I watch my Netflix show. And I'm currently watching Snowpiercer on Netflix. It's so good. But yeah, let's go! to show you guys this cute pajama set that I got from Shein. This is not sponsored, pero it's so cute. It's so fresco and manipis lang siya. So, perfect for like pambahay or like pajamas. Today's agenda, makikita kami ng friend ko, which is si Jem. If you guys know Jem from my old vlogs, you know, can you recall her? We're just gonna catch up because ang tagal na rin namin hindi nagkita. So, kaya pa naman kami magkita. Siguro mga around 1:30 PM kasi nasa FEU pa raw siya. So, uuwi pa siya here sa Bulacan. So, that will take her around 1 hour, I guess. I'm just gonna eat brunch here sa bahay. And then, mamaya mag-aayos na ako because I have to film some content pa for a brand before going. So, yeah, I'm excited!